everyone, this is the 17th video of the web programming video series. Today I'm going to talk about the activation and deactivation process of the seller's store page. Here the seller can activate or deactivate the desired products. Okay, now we are in the seller store page of the eShop web application. Here you can see the seller can activate or deactivate the desired products. So when you deactivate the product, you can see here this label change to make your product deactive. If you activate this page, this label change make your product active. So this is the activation and deactivation process of a product. We'll go to see the codes. Okay, now we are in myproducts.php file. Here inside the card, I have used a switch, a form switch, and here I have checked whether the status ID of the product is 1 or 2. If the status ID of a product is 1, it is activated. If the status ID is 2, the product is deactivated. So if the status ID is 1, I have changed the status ID to 2 when the switch is on. If the switch is off, the status ID will be 1. So from these codes I have made that process. Here you can see if the status ID is 2, the label will be make your product active. Else the product label will be make your product deactive. So we'll go to see the database. Here in the database you can see this product, the status ID is 2 and other products it's 1. So when we go here, you can see only this product is deactivated. So when I deactivate this Samsung A Note 1, when I refresh the database, here Samsung A Note 1, the status ID have changed to 2. So that's how this activation and deactivation process occur. Here I have used an on-click function change status. We'll go to script.js file for that process. Here this is the change status function. I have taken the product ID through the function. I have stored that ID in a variable product ID. So I send this value to change status process.php file through Ajax method, Ajax get method. We'll go to change status process.php file. Here is change status process.php file. Here I have get the connection.php file. We are going to deal with the database. Here through this query I have searched for products with the product ID taken from the script file. So if the product number is 1, if the product number is 1, that means there's a product with that product ID. So we have said to change that status ID to 1. If the status ID is 2. If the status ID is 2, we have changed the status ID to 1. Here through this update query, we have updated the status ID in the database. If there is no such product, we have made an echo. Something went wrong. Please try again later. So this is the activation and deactivation process of a product. That's all about my products page. So in my next video, we will talk about the basic search and the advanced search. So that's all for today. Thank you.